Hi guys, I just wanted to give a quick, brief introduction to this video. This video was made June 26th. I'm just trying to catch up on all the videos so I have a free, clean slate for my biggest event that I have going on with this car, which is Buckeye Skips, which is happening in 5 days. So I just wanted to give a clean slate, get all my videos edited, and get them all pushed out. So this is an old one. This is a 1,000-mile review. I wanted to at least preface something before, because you guys might be confused if you do watch my videos in chronological order. But besides that, I think it was just too good not to post. I'm probably going to cut out some of me rambling in it so it's a little smaller, but here you go. Good morning guys, what is going on? I just wanted to give you guys about over 1,000 mile update since I had this car together. Just want to let you guys know that everything's been running absolutely flawlessly. It's in the morning, not all there yet, but just want to let you guys know that this car has been tuned by Ben at GPI, and the tune has been spot on. It took him 4 revisions and not much communication back and forth about doing different things. He was just like, here, just that simple. It's silky smooth. But just to go back over what it was, it's heads cam, 416 stroker, 13:1 compression, not really anything out of the ordinary. Stroker stage 1 camshaft. It's been reliable to this point. I just took a 100 and some mile road trip with it the other day, and it did it flawlessly. So I mean, I have no complaints there. I have taken it to the drag strip a few times, but I haven't really seen anything special. But I didn't go in the nice cool weather. Every time it either rains and it's really humid the day after at like 3,600, 3,800 DA density altitude, or it's raining. Like I said, I wanted to go every single time I could, but here it's June. I think I went one time this month, and it was first week of June, and other than that, it's been rain, and 90-degree days. Like right now it says it's 71, but it's going to get up to, I think, 92, 93 today. In Ohio, that's a little special, but I just would rather drive it as a daily and not beat on it if I don't need to. I mean, my car's pretty dialed in. If I needed the work, I mean, I would go out there, but I know I wouldn't get any good times. It has done its best 60 foot with this. So I had a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street R bias ply tires on it. I was not a big fan of those. The car walked a little bit too much for my liking. It was slower. So after doing a bunch of research and talking to people, with this car being NA, it doesn't have like the initial shock hit like a supercharger or procharger would. So I actually dropped down to a 26-inch tire, went back to the ET Street R hard sidewall tire, and I went from doing like 1.7, 1.8 60 foots. I actually did my best 60 foot of a 1.59 the other day, which is pretty impressive for it being a stick car, and you know, my opinion, 37, 3,800 pound car probably. So other than that, I mean, it's ran bottom 11s, 1108, 1107 in like 26, 2,800 DA. So hopefully once I get another good day out of it, we will be able to see a 10, which is really my main goal now. I mean, it has the power to do it. Trapped 124, 125. So clearly there's a little inexperience under the camera there, but
yeah, I was just rambling on a little bit too much, and I cut a lot of it out. It, of course, clearly has ran its 10-second pass now, and I've trapped a lot faster than 124, 125, so just to redo it. GPI is amazing, Ben's amazing, Ryan's amazing. Everything on my car still to this day works flawless. I am still currently getting it tuned through speed density because I did change my intake, but it's wonderful. So, peace.